Hey friend, it's your girl Missy here. Are you struggling to create a consistent digital character like me? If you've ever tried using AI to create a digital persona, you already know it's not always as easy as they tell us, right? You get one beautiful image, then the next one looks like their cousin twice removed. Different face, different vibe, different everything. Yeah, it's not cute. That's exactly why the consistent character feature inside Dzine AI is such a game changer. It locks in your character's identity, face, features, body type, and overall vibe, so no matter the pose, outfit, or environment, your character stays your character. Think of it like turning your little digital creation into a reusable, reliable, good-looking digital actor you can drop into any project. So, what can Dzine do for consistent character development? Well, Dzine doesn't just generate images. In simple terms, Dzine saves the face you upload and then recreates that same identity every time you generate a new image. It builds what is essentially a digital actor that stays consistent across different poses, different outfits, different environments, different styles, different lighting, different camera angles. Even though AI is moving so fast, at the time of this video, many AI tools cannot hold a character's identity across all of this without using a reference image. But Dzine can. Let me give you a quick tour of Dzine AI. Once you sign up and log in, you'll land on Dzine's sleek, clean dashboard. Here's what you'll see right away. Recent projects. This is your creative history at a glance. Popular tools like image to image, chat editor, consistent character, lip sync, image to video, text to image generator, community styles for quick inspiration, instant storyboards, face swap tool, image enhancement tools, and yes, full tutorials built right in. But Dzine isn't just for pretty portraits. You can also explore game design, interior design, product mock-ups, print-on-demand art, and so much more. This platform is super stacked. Now, of course, you want to know, how much does this cost? Well, you can start creating with Dzine for free, but the free plan only gives you 32 credits a day, which equals around 8 images. This is perfect for testing and possibly creating the face of your character, but not ideal if you're trying to build a digital actor and bring it to life. Next, there is the beginner plan for only $8.99. It's budget-friendly and great for image generation, providing up to 900 images. The downside is that you do not have access to AI video, the chat editor with all the tools like Nano Banana, Flux, or Dream, nor do you have the ability to build and train your very own consistent character. The creator plan is the sweet spot. That is the plan I have. It costs $24.99 per month, and there is so much inside. This may be the only tool you'll need. And yes, it is a little pricey, no doubt. But do what works with your budget. I don't push tools, I only share what I am actually using. The choice is up to you. With the creator plan, you unlock the chat editor and all the powerhouse of image generating tools inside Dzine like ChatGPT, Flux.1 Context, Nano Banana, Gemini 2.5, Dream 4.0T, Nano Banana Pro, Flux.2 Pro, Flux.2 Flex, Dream 4.5. And we haven't even mentioned the video models like Kling Video 01, Sora 2, VEO 3, Runway, and so many more. But the star of the show today is the Consistent Character Tool. This allows you to build up to 10 characters for your faceless AI universe. There's quick mode that lets you use only one image to train your model. But if you want to fully train your character like we did with Jomel, you can use multiple images. Or you can use the 5 preset avatars if you're not ready to create your own. This tool makes consistent character development pretty straightforward and simple. Here is a suggestion. Before you open Dzine, do this first. AI tools are powerful, but they're not mind readers. If you want consistency, you need to plan your character. This is where having your character DNA comes in handy. Jomel talks about that in the video popping up on screen right now. Basically, your character DNA equals identity plus consistency plus creative control. It's the key to building characters people recognize, and the secret behind you growing a faceless AI universe. The more specific you are, the more magic tools like Dzine will give back. If you need help organizing your character's DNA, grab a copy of my free Character DNA worksheet inside our Stand store. It's a beginner-friendly Google Doc that walks you through the AI easy way. Your character DNA becomes your guiding template every time you prompt Dzine. Trust me, this step saves you hours. And while you're at it, grab a copy of the Professional Photo Shoot Prompts Guide to help when you're ready to train your consistent digital actor using 30 different images, poses, outfits, styles, and camera lighting. All right, friend, that's your Dzine overview. Now you know what the tool can do and how you can access character consistency at the push of a button. Are you ready to get started using this tool today? If so, I'm going to do something a little different. There are already tons of design tutorials out there. So, to make it easier for you, I've curated a few beginner-friendly tutorials in the description. Step-by-step, simple, and easy to follow. These videos will walk you through the buttons and settings so you can explore design at your own pace. I will leave all of these resources where you can easily find them. And in the next video, when you and I meet again, we're going to review the 3 ways you can create characters inside Dzine and the most common beginner mistakes to avoid. That way you start strong and stay consistent from the very beginning. Until next time, I'll see you inside AI.